Now this is a bit of challenge I'm having this morning. See, I can't open the door with the remote. Yeah, it's not working. Let's try the key. Oh, that's not working too. See, the key is not entering. Either way, turn it around again. It appears something is blocking it from going in properly, and I can't see what is actually blocking it. Okay, so I'm going to apply some lubricant, see if that will do the magic. So here I have WD-40. Here it says it stops squeaks, removes and protects, loosens rusted parts. So I will spray some WD-40 into it and see how that helps. Closer. Okay, the WD-40 has done the magic. Now you see, you can see the lock. It's opening. It's gone in. I can turn it either way. Okay. All right. So if you have an issue like this, maybe you want to consider spraying some WD-40 into the lock. That may ease out or loosen the squeaky or free the mechanism in it, and then the key can go in freely. Bear in mind, this lock has a little window, so you might want to support the window. Use a metallic, use a little metallic, maybe the head of a flat screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver to open the door, and then spray in the WD-40, and be sure to spray it right inside, evenly. You go in, you spray, you come out, you spray, so the whole mechanism, whichever area that is affected, it might be losing. Remember also to spray. That's what I did. Also to spray towards the upper part of it, so it drains down, and well, that has solved my issue for now. I'll have to find out why the keyless remote is not working. So thank you for your time.